Hey, I'm Sheldon with TigerTough, and right now I'm going to show you how to put a set of seat covers on a Ford Police Interceptor. The first step before you start putting the covers on is going to be to slide the seat forward and then raise it up. It just makes it a lot easier to work on. So the first thing I'm going to put on is the seat back cover, and the one I'm working on here has got a white tag that says driver on it. So that's the one for the driver's seat. Another way to check is to make sure that when you put it on, the airbag tag and the TigerTough tag are both facing the door. So I'm going to undo all of the Velcro and then we'll slip it on the seat. Turn it most of the way inside out because that helps it to go on a lot easier. Now, since this headrest doesn't come off, the cover just slips on over top of it. And then we'll just start sliding it down like this. Now I'm just going to take the cover and tuck it underneath all this plastic trim so it looks nice. And then this piece here, we'll just pull it tight and I'll tuck it down inside where everything will connect up. Before we finish putting the cover on the back of the seat, this flap that goes underneath the seat has to get removed, and there's two elastic straps that hold it on. To take those straps out, you need to just remove these two plugs. There's one here and one right over here, and then you can just unclip both of the straps like that. And now I'll tuck it up inside the back of the seat cover. Now we're just going to take these and push them through to the back. A couple of tips when you do that. It really helps if you can fold the cover over on itself. It just keeps that Velcro from hooking between the seat back and the seat bottom. And then when you do get them pushed through, hold them as tight as you can before you fasten them, because that'll make your cover fit a lot better. Now we're going to put the seat bottom cover on, and again I've got the tag that says driver to make sure this one is for the driver's seat. Undo all of the Velcro, and then we'll just put it over the seat bottom so that all the seams line up like that. And then this string here on the inside, I'm just going to tuck it in here. And then we'll push all three of these flaps through to the back where we'll need them later. There we go. With this string, we're going to push the cover off to the side and the seat off to the side. And you can see right through the seat there. We'll run the string right down in. Just like that, where we'll be able to get it from the bottom. Then I'm just going to tuck the cover inside the plastic here so that it looks nice. So now you're going to take these two strings and pull them as tight as you can get them. It's good to make sure these are tight because this is what keeps the cover on the seat and keeps it from shifting around. And then you're going to connect the two with the string lock, and to do that I'm just going to feed the string in one end and push it until it comes out. And I'll just pull it off to one side and clip it in, and we'll do the same on the other side. And you're going to want to make sure that you have this good and tight under the seat, because this is what keeps your cover from shifting when you're getting in and out. There we go. One of the last steps to putting the bottom on is to run these flaps underneath the seat bottom and connect them to the other end. Now this car I'm working on is a 2021. If you have a 2020, there's a piece of plastic that runs all the way across the front. Tuck these in behind it, so that way this plastic will go all the way around and the cover will go down in behind it. Now I'm just going to run these under the seat, and I'm going to make sure that they go over top of any brackets or wires or motors. Now that I've got those where I can reach them, I'm just going to slide the seat ahead and we'll pull them up and fasten them to these here flaps. And again, pull everything tight. There we go, that's it for the bottom. The last step is to put the headrest cover on. I've got that here. If you're working on the driver's and passenger seats, they're identical, so they're not marked. And I'm just gonna line that up and work it on down, just like that. And we'll fasten the Velcro together at the bottom. And that's all there is to it.